Look at that guy. You know, I've been coming out here for so long. It's probably one of my favorite places in the world. But over the last year, I've really noticed a decline in how people take care of this precious resource that we have behind me, the ocean. And I mean, I've even showed it in videos where we've went around and picked up after people, you know, and that's why I'm so excited to be teaming up with MrBeast and Mark Rober and thousands of other creators to form Team Seas. Plastics and trash have a huge negative effect in the ocean. The most visible and disturbing impacts are to marine wildlife, ingestion, suffocation, and entanglement of hundreds of marine species. Plastics can also transport invasive species and pollutants from polluted rivers to remote areas in the ocean. So we're gonna have to take like a three-step approach because 80% of the plastics and trash that's in the ocean come from 1% of the rivers. So we're gonna not only have to attack the beaches and the sea, but we're also gonna have to do something about the rivers. And we've teamed up with two nonprofit organizations that can do the most impact. I don't know if you can believe, but for every $1 we're able to raise, we'll remove 1 pound of trash and plastics from the ocean. That's like crazy. And that means every $5 can remove 5 pounds of trash and plastics from the ocean. So here's what you got to do your part. Visit teamseas.org, make a donation. And remember, just $1 can make such a big difference in this problem. And I know if we all stick together, we all come together and kind of put away any petty differences that we have and try to focus on this one problem, we can make a huge impact that will affect future generations. I can't say enough about saving this resource. We have to do something. So join us at teamseas.org and make a difference.